Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import and export data in QuickBooks. And this is a really quick guide. So what you're going to do, for example, let's go to reports and we're going to select a report. Let's do like a balance sheet, okay? We're going to go ahead and select the balance sheet. I'm going to export that data. Okay, here, it's under our favorite section. Click on balance sheet and it will start to automatically create a balance sheet for us based on our data on QuickBooks. So this is for the year to date from the start of the year to today's date, and we're only displaying totals and the accrual, okay? So here, this is Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. That is our company, and you can see all our details right here. So I can export this really easy and simple. Of course, you can send it by email, you can print it out, or you can come here and click on export. There's multiple options. You can export this to an Excel, okay? Or you can export this to a PDF. It started downloading it, by the way, guys. This is an Excel. It started downloading the Excel. And now it's also available to print, email, or save as a PDF. What orientation would you like, guys? Okay, this is here. The balance sheet is right here. As you can see, this is the balance sheet. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to export the PDF right here. So what you're going to do is choose either you want a portrait mode or you want it as a landscape. Actually, I'm okay with the portrait, but I'm going to just show you real quick. This is what it will look like as landscape. I think portrait is much better. So all you're going to do is go ahead and change this to portrait. And once it registers the change, we're going to download this as a PDF. You can come here, click on save as PDF, or you can click on download right here. And it will start downloading automatically, guys, as you can see right here. We're going to name it balance sheet. And we're just going to open this up in a new tab, as you can see. And boom, guys, we will basically export this to a PDF and an Excel. And it's really that easy and simple. And I can see the totals have not registered here. So all you need to do is click on enable editing and the totals will register as well, okay? So it actually works, don't worry. It was the zeros were just showing because we had not enabled editing. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.